Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've duplicated the layer and zoomed to 100%. Good. Now make a careful selection around the subject edge using Quick Selection or Lasso, Feather 0. 5.2px depending on resolution. Once done, create a layer mask so you can work non-destructively. You're isolating the fringe so adjustments only affect the border. Make sure to refine the selection with Select and Mask if hair or fine details are present. That prevents pulling color correction into the main subject and keeps the fix localized. With the mask active, open Select and Mask and use Shift Edge slightly inward to reduce halo. Enable Decontaminate colors at low amount if necessary. If that isn't enough, add a hue/saturation adjustment clip to the layer, choose greens from the drop-down and slide hue toward neighboring tones, reduce saturation to remove the cast. For persistent fringe, add a channel mixer layer and nudge channels, or use layer matting defringe, set to -1 to -3px, to pull color off the edge without harming the subject. Once corrected, set adjustment layers to color blend mode and lower opacity until the edge blends naturally. This preserves luminance while fixing hue. If small green pixels remain, use a small clone stamp or spot healing sampled from nearby neutral areas. Don't oversample the subject. If the edge softened, duplicate the top, apply high pass at low radius and set to overlay at reduced opacity to restore crispness. If things still look off, undo recent steps and try a slightly different mask feather or decontaminate value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.